Hey there, friends. Today, we're going on an adventure to completely redefine what's possible with $1. Forget everything you thought you knew about crafting. We're channeling the sophisticated, bold vision of designers like Givenchy-Inspired Burton to transform ordinary Dollar Tree items into unbelievably chic, expensive-looking decor. This isn't just about saving money, it's about making a huge impact with minimal investment. We're going to walk through our entire home from the entryway to the bedroom and show you how to inject luxury and a vibrant color pop into every single room. Get ready to be inspired. Let's start at the very first thing people see when they enter your home, the entryway. We're going to take those simple wooden crates from Dollar Tree and completely transform them. With a coat of glossy emerald green paint, we're stacking them to create a minimalist console that looks like it came straight from a high-end catalog. The blurred background of the entryway just highlights this stunning piece. It's a clean look solution, perfect for dropping your keys and adding a luxurious, autumn-inspired pop of color to your small house. Who knew a few dollars could look this good? Now for some lighting magic. We're going to use 3 different sized glass vases from the Dollar Tree, stacking them to form the base of a dramatic, contemporary table lamp. The real secret? Warm white LED fairy lights threaded inside each vase. The blurred living room behind it just enhances the beautiful glow. This DIY lamp casts a captivating light, creating a cozy and inviting autumn atmosphere in your minimalist home. It's a jaw-dropping statement piece that's completely customizable and so easy to make. Time to cozy up. You'll find these surprisingly soft fleece scarves at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to sew several together to create a luxurious textured throw blanket. We're alternating a neutral taupe with a vibrant pop of magenta for a modern, bold look. Imagine this draped over a chair in your reading room, ready for a crisp fall evening. The blurred background shows a comfortable space in a small house, making this blanket look even more inviting. It's an unbelievable textile upgrade for next to nothing. Want to create a gallery wall that looks professionally curated? Grab a bunch of Dollar Tree picture frames. The trick here is to spray paint them all a single, unexpected, and bold color, like this gorgeous marigold yellow. Arranged symmetrically on a wall, with the blurred living room behind it, these frames hold simple geometric prints that elevate the entire space. It's a clean look that gives your small house a huge dose of personality and a perfect fall aesthetic. Your guests will be asking where you found this stunning collection. Let's head to the kitchen and craft a stunning centerpiece. We're using Dollar Tree glass bowls and vases, stacking them to create a sculptural, layered look. By inverting a large bowl and placing a smaller one on top, we're building a modern base. We'll fill it with faux moss and candles for a clean, architectural feel. The blurred kitchen background shows this piece sitting elegantly on the table, ready for a festive autumn meal. This simple, affordable arrangement looks so much more expensive than it actually is. Moving into the bedroom, let's tackle a minimalist and modern nightstand. We're using 2 Dollar Tree storage bins, stacked and secured with a wooden cutting board on top. A fresh coat of crisp white paint transforms this humble DIY into a sleek, clean-look piece. The blurred background of the small house bedroom shows how well it fits into a serene, autumn-inspired space. It's the perfect bedside companion, offering both style and much-needed storage. This next one is a showstopper for your kitchen. We're taking a simple Dollar Tree wire basket, inverting it, and spray painting it a gorgeous metallic copper. Suspended over your kitchen island, it becomes a stunning pendant light. The blurred background of the minimalist kitchen highlights the dramatic shadows it casts. This DIY is proof that you can achieve an urban chic look and a warm autumn feel without spending a fortune. It's truly a secret weapon for home decor. Here's an easy project to elevate your dining experience. We're making geometric placemats from Dollar Tree felt sheets. The magic is in the details, cutting them into modern shapes like hexagons and adding a stitched border in a bold contrasting color. We're using red here. The blurred background shows them on a dining table in a small house, looking incredibly refined. They provide a beautiful pop of color and a clean, high-end feel for all your fall gatherings. For some bold modern art, we're using Dollar Tree foam boards and yarn. By cutting the boards into various shapes and wrapping them tightly with vibrant fuchsia and cool gray yarn, we're creating an abstract, textured wall piece. The blurred living room background in a minimalist house provides the perfect canvas. This DIY adds an incredible focal point and a fall-inspired artistic touch that looks like it belongs in a gallery. Let's brighten up the bathroom. We're taking Dollar Tree plastic buckets, inverting them, and painting them in a high-gloss electric blue. These become sculptural, modern planters for small succulents or air plants. The blurred bathroom background in a small house highlights their clean, glossy finish. They're a fantastic, affordable way to introduce a bold color pop and an urban chic vibe to your space for the autumn season. Let's go back to the entryway and get organized with this urban chic shoe rack. Using several Dollar Tree wire shelves, we're stacking them to create a tiered unit. The key is spray painting the whole thing in a sophisticated matte black or charcoal gray. The blurred background of a minimalist house entryway shows how this piece provides a clean look while keeping things tidy. It's a stylish and practical solution for fall. This one is a real conversation starter for your living room. We're creating a unique floor lamp base by stacking Dollar Tree ceramic planters and painting them a deep, rich forest green. A simple lampshade on top completes the look. The blurred living room background shows this elegant lamp standing tall in a small house. It's an eye-catching piece that adds a luxurious, urban chic feel and a warm, fall glow to your space. Give your bathroom a spa-like feel with these DIY bath mats. We're using plush Dollar Tree microfiber towels and adding a non-slip backing. The secret to making them look expensive? A beautiful hand-stitched border in a contrasting color, like this brilliant orange. The blurred bathroom background of a minimalist home shows how this small detail can make a big difference, giving you a clean look and a cozy feel for autumn. Let's make a statement with a custom, multifaceted mirror. By carefully removing the frames from several Dollar Tree hand mirrors and gluing them onto a board, we're creating a starburst design. The blurred bedroom background in a small house shows this piece reflecting light and adding drama. It's an urban chic accent that looks incredibly expensive, and it's perfect for a fall refresh. For the perfect bathroom counter accent, we're making a stylish vanity tray. We'll take a Dollar Tree serving tray, spray paint it a glossy rose gold, and line it with a piece of geometric patterned paper. The blurred bathroom background in a minimalist house shows this tray holding perfumes and jewelry. It's a beautiful, clean look piece that adds a touch of glam to your autumn routine. Let's bring some warmth to the living room with a low-profile coffee table. We're using a few Dollar Tree crates, stacking them to form a base. We'll leave them with a natural wood finish, or you could paint them a soft, dusty pink. The blurred living room background in a small house highlights the cozy, bohemian vibe. Add a round plywood top, and you have an inviting and stylish piece for fall. Get ready to create some serious bedroom magic. We're using Dollar Tree embroidery hoops and wrapping them with colorful, textured yarn to make a stunning bohemian chandelier. The blurred bedroom background in a minimalist house shows this whimsical piece hanging from the ceiling. With LED tea lights, it casts a beautiful, warm glow, giving your room a dreamy and glamorous autumn feel. For a touch of boho glam in your bedroom, let's make a luxurious bed runner. By sewing together a mix of Dollar Tree scarves with different patterns like florals and paisley, we're creating a rich, layered effect. Add some fringe or pom-poms to the ends for a playful touch. The blurred background of the bedroom in a small house shows how this vibrant piece instantly elevates your bedding for fall. We're bringing a beautiful textural piece to life with a macrame wall hanging. Using Dollar Tree twine and a simple dowel, we're going to weave and knot it into a stunning design. The blurred background of a cozy reading room in a minimalist house shows this piece adding incredible texture and a calming bohemian feel. It's a perfect DIY for a relaxing autumn day. Let's add some earthy charm with decorative planters. We're taking Dollar Tree wicker baskets and lining them so they can hold plants. Tying colorful ribbons around the handles adds a playful, boho glam touch. The blurred background shows these planters bringing a natural feel into a cozy room in your small house. Perfect for a fall refresh. Time to get bold and modern with a geometric side table. We're using Dollar Tree plastic storage cubes, stacking them 4 high, and painting the whole thing in a high-gloss sunshine yellow. The blurred living room background in a minimalist house highlights this piece as a stunning color pop. It's a clean look solution that offers both style and hidden storage for your autumn essentials. For a dramatic sculptural lighting accent, we're using Dollar Tree craft sticks. We'll glue them into a starburst pattern and spray paint the entire piece a glossy black. A battery-operated puck light in the center creates a stunning, shadow-casting sconce. The blurred hallway background in a small house shows this piece adding an artistic and urban chic touch for fall. Let's make some modern cushion covers. We're using Dollar Tree felt sheets and cutting them into geometric shapes like triangles and circles. By sewing these onto a plain base, we're creating a bold design in contrasting colors, like deep plum and gray. The blurred background shows these cushions on a sofa in a reading room, perfect for a cozy, clean look this autumn. Here's how to create an art piece that will make everyone stop and stare. We're taking Dollar Tree foam boards, cutting them into different geometric shapes, and gluing them together at different angles to create a three-dimensional sculpture. A single coat of glossy navy paint makes it look absolutely incredible. The blurred living room background in a minimalist house shows this piece as a stunning, modern focal point for fall. Finally, let's make some modern decorative trays for the kitchen. We're using Dollar Tree picture frames, painting them a bold, glossy teal, and lining them with a mirrored surface. The blurred kitchen counter background shows these trays holding candles and small vases. They're a perfect clean look accent to organize and add a pop of vibrant color to your small house this autumn. And there you have it, my friends. A whole new world of home decor possibilities, all inspired by high-end design and brought to life with Dollar Tree finds. These projects prove that luxury and style aren't about how much money you spend, but how creative you can be. I hope these DIYs inspire you to look at everyday items with a fresh eye and create a home that feels curated, cozy, and uniquely yours for this beautiful fall season. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, happy crafting!